At the Illinois Soybean Association, we believe the future of agriculture begins with education and collaboration. That's why we brought farming forward to the Chicago High School for Agricultural Sciences, where students, educators, and agriculture professionals came together for a hands-on look at the importance of conservation in agriculture. The day featured a variety of interactive exhibits, all designed to highlight how sustainable farming practices are shaping the future of agriculture. Students from Chicago High School for Agriculture Sciences helped share the value of cover crops in building healthier soils and supporting long-term productivity, connecting classroom learning with real-world solutions. ISA's Director of Agronomy, Abigail Peterson, demonstrated the rainfall simulator, showing firsthand how cover crops protect the soil, reduce runoff, and improve water infiltration. Attendees also heard from leading conservation organizations including American Farmland Trust, Illinois Stewardship Alliance, the Nature Conservancy, local soil and water conservation districts, Illinois State University, Illinois Sustainable Ag Partnership, and advocated for urban agriculture. Farming Forward isn't just a one-day event. It's a commitment to preparing the next generation and strengthening relationships with policymakers to educate them on how they can help champion a future that stays loyal to the soil. Thank you to the students, educators, and partners who made the day a success. Together, we're planting the seeds for a more sustainable tomorrow. To learn more about conservation practices and Illinois Soybean Association's work across Illinois, visit www.illsoy.org.